Kirby is my #1 fighter from Super Smash Bros. Ultimate, and on this video I'm gonna teach you how to make his figure. Welcome to the second Super Smash Bros. Ultimate Week video, and enjoy creators, let's begin! Creators, welcome once again to the second video of the Super Smash Bros. Week. As you know, we will be making most of the Super Smash Bros. Ultimate fighters. Not all, since there are a lot, but I'll be making most fighters that you like and the ones that I like. As you know, the first character that I made on the previous video was Bowser. I think it was amazing to start with him since it's my second favorite fighter, but I already told you about it on his video. But on this video we're making Kirby, which is for me my #1 fighter of the game and the one I enjoy playing the most. And since Super Smash Bros. Ultimate is the first Super Smash Bros. Game that I have owned, and he's the main character on the Spirit Story mode, I learned how to play the game with him, and I fell in love with him. And since then I'm always him. When I play online, and I wanted to make his figure for the channel to even have him as a decoration on my room. As you can see, it's a very easy figure to make, and I really love the end result, so it's an amazing decoration. As you can see, the left arm was way too high and it looked really weird, so I changed it to be a little bit lower, and then it finally looked the way it's supposed to look. Most of the figure is already done, but if I had to explain how to make the figure, then I would say that to make his body you would need a light pink ball that will be the body, and you will have to make the holes for the eyes and the mouth. The arms are very simple. You could say each arm is half an oval, and for the feet you would need a light red oval for each foot. After that we will have to make the details for the eyes, which is black for the whole eye, blue at the bottom, and a little white dot at the top of the eyes to make the shine of the eyes, you could say. Then we will fill the details of the mouth and his cheeks, and we will be done for the figure. We will only have to cover the whole figure with matte lacquer and we will be finished. I really love to cover all of my figures with matte lacquer, since for me it really gives the look that I love on the end result. And this is how Kirby turns out. I really love the end result. As you can see, it's extremely simple and it turned out amazing, so I really fell in love with the final result. So don't leave without leaving your like and subscribing if you like the figure, and follow me on Instagram. And don't forget to watch my Bowser video, I'm sure you will love it. I will leave the link down below. So I'll see you on the next video, creators. Bye.
Hanukkah.